All right, here's what we got. Go into the positive post, 2.9. Go to this terminal, 15.3, because we're on the charger, right? So you have a bad connection between this wire and this wire, or right here. You can probably tell why there's a bad connection. Same exact thing, and that wire is the wire that connects that battery to this battery. Then this is gonna be a lot nastier. Ew. .3, because that's the one that's hooked up to the charger, but it's not charging that one because the connection over there is bad. Now this is the wire that goes to the alternator. It doesn't say oh, it does now, but that's because I'm kind of wiggling the connection. But under load, what's happening is your alternator is working perfectly, 15 volts, but it's not getting to the battery because of the bad connection. And then this battery is not connected to that battery because of the bad connection. So this truck doesn't need an alternator. What it really needs is, well, both batteries failed the load test, so it needs both batteries. But what it really needs is these connections to be cleaned and maybe even some of the cables replaced, because that's pretty bad corrosion. But other than that, doesn't need an alternator, just needs the connections to be cleaned.